Did you know a Finnish soldier once accidentally took enough methamphetamine to kill a horse and somehow survived the most insane week of World War II? Meet Imo Koivunen. In 1943, his unit was retreating from Soviet forces when they ran out of food. Imo was carrying emergency pills for the whole squad, but his frozen fingers couldn't open the bottle properly. So he did what any rational person would do. He dumped the entire bottle into his mouth and swallowed 30 pills meant for 30 men. What happened next sounds like a fever dream. Imo's heart rate shot through the roof and he skied away from his unit at superhuman speed. For the next week, he was completely alone in the frozen wilderness, hallucinating and moving non-stop. He hid in ditches from imaginary enemies. He stepped on a landmine that somehow didn't kill him. He even ate a raw bird he caught with his bare hands. When doctors finally found him, his heart rate was still 200 beats per minute. But incredibly, Imo Koivunen survived to tell this absolutely bonkers tale.